Hello, guys, welcome back. So, today we are going to start a series on ES6. It's going to be a completely new series with the latest updates and features of ES6 in detail. We will talk about each and every feature step by step. So, ES6, let's get started. Now, before starting ES6, we would like to introduce you with the history of ES6 and then what are the key reasons for introducing ES6. Then we will go in detail on all the series and chapter one by one. Now, ES6, also known as ECMAScript 2015 or ES 2015, was introduced to modernize JavaScript by adding features that improved its scalability, readability, and maintainability. So, JavaScript had become the most widely used language for web development, but before ES6, it lacked several important features that were common in many other programming languages. So one of the feature was basically object oriented feature, so that was not there in JavaScript or ES6. Now the introduction of ES6 aimed to address these limitations. We will come into detail like what are the key reasons for introducing ES6, but let's go into a bit of history of it. Now, ES6 was really before ES6 there was one more version of ECMAScript 5, which is ES5 in 2009, which was released, and there was a major need for a revamp or an updated version of ES5 because the web was changing drastically. By that time, web applications became more popular, and hence the requirement of a new release of ES6 become ECMAScript become evident, which is later became and known as ES6. Now, the development of ES6 was headed by TC39 committee, which is responsible for evolving the ECMAScript standard. The goal was to make JavaScript a bit more powerful, and while it ensuring that the previous versions of JavaScript should not get impacted. So that is, they need to manage the backward compatibility as well. Now, ES6 took several years to get finalized after 2009 because there was numerous drafts and debates over the features that are going to come in ES6, and later it got released in 2015, making it the most significant update in JavaScript in over a decade. There are a lot of significant changes done which we will see in the upcoming videos. Now, what were the key reasons for introducing ES6 that we should understand? We should understand that before releasing the ES6, there were a lot of libraries which were available. Like if we need to build some complex applications, we need to add a lot of libraries, like one of them being the jQuery, the mostly and widely used JavaScript library. So this was crucial for creating or developing large scale applications. Now, because of these reasons, these library dependencies and all those things, right? The ECMAScript standard had had to come with ES6, and it introduced a lot of new features like modules. It allows the developers to break code into smaller and reusable pieces. That's the reason better code organization was one of the key reasons for introducing ES6. Another key reason was the new syntax and the features. Now, ES6 added features like arrow functions, classes, template, literals, destructuring. All these changes made JavaScript code more concise and more readable. That is how you see ES6 coming into the world and dominating the entire JavaScript world. For all the modern applications, most of the people are using ES6 because of this kind of features. And now we have seen the reasons for introducing the ES6 and the history of ES6. Now let's go ahead in the next video to look at the various aspects, various features one by one. So keep watching, guys. Thank you for watching.